So let me show you step by step how to copy Google Drive to another drive. So if you want to copy entire Google Drive to another Google Drive, let me show you how to do it. So the first thing you should do after you open the Google Drive that you want to copy, so you go and click on this My Drive. After you click on the My Drive, here it will give you all the folders and all the files inside the Google Drive. So next thing you should do, so now you just click on this new button, go to new folder. So now you create your new folder. So I will name my folder My Default Drive. So after I rename my folder my default drive like this one, so if I scroll to down, I can be able now to see the folder. Here is it now. So now here is the folder. So next thing you should do now, you go now and highlight all the file that move all your files inside the folder. So now I'll go and select all these folders, all these files and folders. So now I'll click on this move button. After I click on the move, so allow it to finish loading. So I would add it to this one. I'll select this and click on this move. So now I add all the files and the folder inside this move folder. So I'll do the same to the above folders at the same time. This one, move. So I'll select this one. I'll select this move. So after you move all your files and folder inside this one, so the next thing you should do, you right click on the folder, you go to share, and then you go to share again. So from this option, you click on this restricted, you click on this anyone with the link, and then you click on this view, and then now you give it option to editor. So now you copy the link and then go to done. So the next thing you should do, now you go and open the browser or open a new tab in your browser where you want to copy the folder to it. So after I open my incognito tab, I'll paste in the link in this option and press enter. After you press enter, so if you look at this option now, here these are the old folders and the files. So now if you open the link in a new tab, so it will ask you now to sign in. So click on this option now to sign in using the Gmail account that you want to copy the folder or copy the entire drive to it. So if I click on this option now, I'll sign in with the new Gmail account. After you sign in, so now these are the old file. They will show you the file like this. So the next thing you should do, you click on this where it says download all. After you click on this download all, so from there the file will be downloaded into your Gmail account that you added, and they'll be in your drive. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like, subscribe, or meet in the next one.